Hey guys, welcome back. So this video I'm going to share my Sprout haul with you guys. I know in my last video with my tummy tuck I was talking about eating healthier and just changing my overall food intake. I want to keep my body in shape and I started the gym, so I wanted to include some healthy eating habits, and I'm trying. Not always the best at eating healthy. I have kids, so they always have junk around, and I'm always there to pick up the rest of the I guess their leftovers or whatever, you know, just like a mom. The kids will eat their junk, and sometimes they don't finish it, and I'm like, oh, there's some chips there, let me just go ahead and just finish it off. You know, I get little bags of chips for them, so sometimes I'm like, why waste it? But I'm working on it. I'm definitely working on not finishing their junk after they've eaten it. But yeah, let's go ahead and just get right into this haul. Alright, the first thing, well, I'm not going to say the first thing. I'm just going to jump right into it. I got these chickpea crisps. I got this one is sea salt. I think I got, there's something else I got, but I got these chickpea crisps, and I've never tried these before, so I wanted to try them. It says about 120 calories and calories of fat 30. It says 15 crisps per serving, so see how that goes. So I guess this is a healthier alternative to actually just eating potato chips from the kids stuff. I also got these gluten-free crispy sea salt. This is baked crackers. This is the regular sea salt flavor, and I also got the flavor with the cheddar cheese. So yeah, these are my indulgent muffins. These are the pistachio muffins. I just love the pistachio muffins from Sprout. They may not be the healthiest, but because they're from Sprout, just like how when I go to Whole Foods, I'm always tricking myself and saying, oh, because it's Whole Foods, it's healthier. Anyway, these muffins are just like regular muffins. They're 470 calories, but they're 0 calories from fat, so I don't know, but I guess this would be one whole. But I usually love the muffin tops, so I just take the top off usually, which is wasting half of it. But I do go back and finish the other half. That's my favorite part, is the muffin top itself. But I got the pistachio for myself, for my little indulgent treat. And for the kids and everybody, I got these double chocolate chip muffins, which they love. They love these muffins, so I actually got 2 of them. They have 4 in a piece. For you guys that don't know, I have 5 kids, so I have to feed them. And then I got these Danish pastries. I'm gonna try these out. And yeah, for the next thing is this gluten-free cinnamon raisin bread. Now I got a lot of gluten-free stuff because I noticed that I get bloated when I eat regular flour, regular rice and stuff. So I really don't eat a lot of rice. It's not my favorite. I don't eat rice. It's really not my favorite. My favorite rice would probably be like basmati rice, and I could eat that. And yeah, rice is really not my favorite. That's not me. My thing is bread. I love bread. I love croissants. I love warm bread when it's just out of the oven. I'm not really a rice kind of gal, but you know, I do eat rice every once in a while. But when I do eat it, I notice that I get bloated a lot. And when I eat like regular flour stuff, I notice that I do get bloated a lot. So I wanted to try gluten-free for a while, and I've been trying it, and I noticed that I'm less gassy. TMI. But yeah, and I just feel overall better. So this is one of my favorite breads, I guess, the cinnamon raisin bread. I usually have this with breakfast with my egg whites, and yeah, I usually have about maybe 2 slices of these. It's about 80 calories per slice, and yeah, I usually have 2 of them with a side of maybe like butter or peanut butter. But yeah. Okay, now the other things that I have are these rice cakes. I told you I don't like rice, but I do like these rice cakes. This one is a cinnamon flavor, and the one that I've already had, I just wanted to show you guys, is the mochi sweet one. And this is one of my favorite ones. I just put some of the cookie butter, which is not really healthy, but it tastes yummy. And I have 2 of these cakes with the cookie butter, or I just use my peanut butter, my natural peanut butter, and I just have that as like another healthy snack or treat, or maybe it's not that healthy with the cookie butter, but it tastes yummy. Listen, I'm not trying to like totally cut out all of the yummy stuff out of my diet. I'm just using it as like moderation. I just eat in moderation. I'm not trying to like totally cut everything out, because how can you? I mean, I don't see myself not eating anything with sugar. I just try to limit maybe my processed sugar intake. I'll eat stuff like what has honey in it, natural honey, the organic honey, or brown sugar, and I do use the sugar in the raw, the brown sugar one. But I use that because I try to get away from refined sugars like the white crystal sugar. I do buy it because maybe I have to bake with it, or you know, for whatever ingredients I might need it. But personally, like with my teas and whatever I'm using it for, I use brown sugar or I use honey. So yeah, these 2 are my favorite. This is from Lilburn, but it tastes really good. I wasn't really one to like rice cakes, but hey, I like the flavor. So sometimes with these rice cakes, I have avocado. I'll just slice the avocado and I'll have like an avocado toast, but on a rice cake. So that's yummy too. Alright, the rest of the stuff are mostly just like vegetables and fruits. I get my organic strawberries from there. Organic celery, I juice. I started juicing, so I'm going to be juicing these pretty soon because I juice. My favorite juicing drink is a kale aid. I went to True Foods, which is a restaurant here maybe a few months ago, and I fell in love with the kale aid, so I've just been mimicking the drink. I googled it online and I just started using it, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it a lot. So yeah, I get my organic bananas. We run through the bananas like crazy. If I could show you, I have a whole lot of bananas already, but we do run through them like crazy. Jacob, my little one, he loves bananas, so I try to keep stocked on bananas because I also make my protein smoothies with bananas, and I usually go organic. Alright, I got some vegetables I got some fruits for the kids. This is an organic pear. They're pretty big for organic, but hey, give it a try. So that's that. I get my avocados organic from Sprouts. These are the smaller ones, the Hassah. I don't know what they call them, Hassah. And I'll usually keep these out. If they're really hard, I'll keep them out. And once I notice that they're getting softer or they're ripening, I'll place them in the refrigerator, and it's just, it slows down the process of them ripening a little bit, and it gives me more time to eat them. I'll probably eat, honestly, I eat about half to one of these small ones a day. That's how much I love them. And I got this broccolini, the baby broccoli, I guess it is. But usually I get the other broccolis, the big ones, but I got this little one, and I'm gonna try this for the kids later for dinner. And of course I got my cucumbers to put in my juice. I got some green scallions to cook with, and onions and potatoes, which I got, and I actually put them over there already. But I like, for myself, I get these juices. For the kids also, I try and get natural juices for them. But for myself, because I don't like the refined sugar that I'm trying to take out of my daily intake with increasing my water and decreasing my sugary intake, I juice my vegetables and fruits together, so I'll get mostly of my sugar stuff from those juices. But sometimes I want to indulge a little bit, and I'll get these. They're from, I don't know, Hubert lemonades. They're made with sugar cane. They're filtered water and cane sugar to sweeten them. So I love how these taste, and I won't drink the whole thing in one sitting. I'll just drink half. So I'll fill my cup up with some ice, and I'll fill it up to half. This only has 10% juice in it anyway, so it's really not that healthy. But like I said, it tricks me all the time. And I got a cantaloupe here I'm going to cut up later on. I got some carrots that I'm going to juice. And let's see, down to the last bit of it, I got this tahini lemon sauce. I can use this to marinate fish in or chicken and cook it, or I can use this as a dressing for my salad. And I wanted to try this nutritional yeast seasoning. I've never tried it, and I've seen a lot of people trying it, so I decided that I want to try it too. So yeah, can't help but to see how it works. I've been wanting to get that everything but the bagel seasoning at Trader Joe's that I see everybody rave about. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna one day get it. And of course, I had to get my olive oil. I cook with olive oil a lot, and the kids really wouldn't even know the difference. I cook with olive oil, I cook with avocado oil. I have a little bit of avocado oil left, so I just got some olive oil because I ran out. But I think that's all that I have. Those are all of that's my grocery haul for today. I picked up some other stuff from Kroger just because, you know, I have to shop for the kids and what they like and stuff like that. So I picked up some other stuff, some like not so healthy stuff, but healthy, but not really healthy. Not really healthy. Anyway, yeah, that's all I have to share with you guys. If you guys want to see, I know a few of you have been saying that you want to see what I eat in a day. I'm going to be recording that. Yeah, so I'm going to put it up. Like I said, this is a lifestyle change for me. I'm just trying to eat a little bit healthier and trying to change around the way that I do things, because diabetes and hypertension does run in my family, and those are hereditary. So if I can prolong the process a little bit, I'm going to do everything that I can to prolong that process, because regardless of how healthy I eat, once it's hereditary, you are going to get it sometime later on down the line, if not sooner. So I'm just trying to prolong the process a little bit. I try not to have any of my seasonings, most of them are organic, but I try not to have any seasonings with MSG in them, because that also increases your risk of hypertension and coronary artery disease and all of these things. But like I said, you know, me being from the islands or whatever, I do eat a lot of foods that are not really particularly that healthy, but they are yummy. And I cook foods. I cook a lot of food from Jamaica, and I just cook it normally, that I would normally cook it, and I eat that. So, you know, I don't eat it every day because I don't cook it every day. I mostly cook it on the weekends, or I'll cook it, if I do cook it during the week, it's for the kids and they eat it, and I just try and cook something else for me, something less fattening, or anyway, I'm rambling. I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye!